Yo!
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Today we are going to be a Blox
tier
tier list. This is gonna be the most insane video ever.
So you gotta get ready.
Let's start with.
I'm gonna start with all these ones on the top. And you can
Yeah,
see up here.
guys. No, wait, guys.
Rocket.
Let's start with Rocket.
Rocket. I mean, I'm gonna put it bad.
I mean, I'm gonna put bad because
I feel like
the
effects looks really, really good.
I feel like the effects are good, but like it's still a comment, but like I feel like it's still one of the like better comments out there, right?
I know, right? Okay.
Okay.
Next we have spin. Spin. Nah, I'm putting bad. Nah.
No. Spin
No
worst
way.
fruit in the game.
I know.
Wait, chop? I put it at bad because
Yeah,
there's
bad.
a lot of Buddha
Yeah.
spammers, and some people don't use fruit for combos.
Spring.
No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
Bomb. I'm gonna put
Bomb.
Okay,
C.
I'm gonna put
It's
bad,
good for grinding bosses
Yeah, and
because
it
they're
does
landmines.
a good amount of damage.
Yeah, if they hit
Smoke?
every landmine.
Smoke just D, bro. Smoke just do nothing.
Smoke? Yeah,
It
D,
has,
bro.
almost no combos.
Yeah.
Spike, fake dough, bro.
Spike,
Fake dough.
Walmart dough. I put it in.
I'm putting bad.
Bad.
I like the.
I would put it the best in bad. No,
Yeah, me too.
and then but I'll put chop in the second best. Okay, that's
Okay, flame.
ridiculous.
Okay, this is the law of damage.
It's good. It's
I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in good.
I put okay. I think
I'm gonna put okay.
there's some better fruits out there, but that's not OP.
Falcon, I'm putting
Okay.
bad.
Worst fruit in the game.
No, I feel like Falcon should go bad. No, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but I'll put bad, but the
Put
worst
bad.
bad. The worst bad.
Yeah, the worst
like
bad.
this. Okay. Ice.
Oh, I'm putting that in good.
I'm putting that in good. It's
So
so
I'm
good.
put down on top of B tier
No, it's
because
good.
it doesn't do as much damage as I was expected to do.
Oh yeah, it does less damage, but it's like
Yeah,
the
it's good
best
for combos.
best
For C1.
best noob combos.
Sand?
And some pros use it. Sand, bad.
I'm gonna put this in the middle between ice and flame.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put it.
I feel like it's good.
I
but
feel like it's worse than Flame. Flame
Yeah.
has some decent combos.
Dark, not putting that bad.
Dark, I'll put that in good actually.
I'm gonna put this.
Dark's
I'm gonna put this right below.
I'm gonna put Dark in
below
okay. I'm gonna
Rocket.
put this above Sand because Dark has quite decent stuns and combos.
Diamonds. Nah,
Okay,
nope.
okay, no.
No explanation.
It's the best fruit in D. Best fruit in D, I would
best
say.
in D, I would say.
Light.
Oh yeah, I'm putting that A.
I'll
Good.
put that in good.
That's good. It's the best.
fruit.
It's the best C1 grinding.
Best
you guys
C1
should
fruit.
Definitely buy per.
It's
per
good
light.
for. It's even good for C3. Just saying.
Bro,
Rubber?
Rocket needs a gear 5.
Rubber.
Rocket needs a gear 5, bro.
It needs a.
I'm putting
it in
I'm putting
bad.
top of bad tier. Top of bad tier.
It's.
I don't care.
I would put Chop in the best, and then
I'm gonna put Chop at second best.
because sword immunity.
Cause this will actually do a lot of damage. So.
Because Chop immunes Buddha spam.
Alright,
Barrier. Okay.
No, I'm putting this bad, bro. This is not bad.
Yeah, barrier. I'll put it in D.
Okay, Ghost. The only reason why I'm gonna put this in
Ghost?
okay tier is because
You have a second life.
Yes.
And you have a second life.
Minions.
Oh,
So I'm gonna put it at the bottom
Which-
of okay tier because it doesn't do much damage and the moves are like
Actually,
trash.
now I'll put
Second
it.
one.
I'll put it in the second one. Actually, no.
Magma.
Weston. Okay, Weston. Magma. I put
Definitely-
it just in good.
Definitely good tier.
Just because you could get Shock Anchor really easily with it. And Shock
And-
Anchor is probably one of the best, if not the best one in the game.
And it does a good amount of damage. But you have to be Sky Cap.
Quake?
master with it. Bro, Quake is going. I'm gonna say okay though.
I'll say
Put it there.
above Sand, but below Dark. Dark is.
What is this S tier, bro?
Buddha?
No comment. That's just going up there.
There's
Bro.
so many times where I was thinking to switch back to my pun Buddha because of Buddha spam.
Yeah,
I was like, I have
just
Shock
spam their
Anchor.
Buddha.
I mean, I was thinking, I have Shock Anchor. I mean, I could just ruin everyone's day.
I know.
Okay,
Love?
love, good.
I'm gonna put this. Yeah, I'm gonna put
Top
this
of
low.
good.
Yeah,
'Cause
no,
it
I'm putting
depends-
in the middle between light and magma because
I
you
put
have
it.
you can be a good sky capper, but it's not good for grinding though. Cause like the moves.
Oh yeah, the
There's
moves.
no M1.
More like killing one player.
But yeah, but you do have a companion, so that's why I'm putting it in the middle though.
Oh yeah, you do have best of friend though. Okay, Spider.
I'm gonna put
Oh,
this.
it's quite good. It's quite good. Decent,
I'm
decent.
not sure. Okay.
I put it
I'm gonna put this on the top of okay tier, bro. Cause like
above Dark, below Flame.
yeah,
Sound,
sound. I'm gonna put this in
A.
Yeah.
but
Bottom of
it's
A.
the better than light. No.
No.
No. Worse than love. Worse than love and light.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this at the bottom.
Phoenix.
Oh, okay. This is a hard one.
I'll put it above Flame, but below Ice because you could just heal with it. I'm gonna put it in good.
I'm gonna put this
What's
in
good?
Second.
Actually, I'm gonna put it in the
Because
third. It's
it
above.
It has a really good transformation,
Yeah.
and it does a good amount. Of
Now
damage.
we thought sound was so good, but it actually wasn't. A portal?
Portal.
OP.
S tier, bro. S tier.
OP. But
If
is
you're
it
Florida
above
and you're not
Buddha
using-
though? I mean, it depends. If you're like I'm Fiji's level, it's better than Buddha. But if you're just a casual player who's not that good, it's below Buddha. Because 30 mil bounty players have crazy combos. Rumble S.
Yeah, S. Nah,
Definitely.
I'm gonna put this on top of A.
Well, actually, no,
Because
top of A.
Rumble's like really,
It has
really good stun.
It has a
but,
really
like,
good stun, but not every move is good.
Yeah.
Pain? Okay.
No. Nope.
Okay.
No
Okay.
point. No point.
Okay.
No
Okay.
point. I'm talking about.
No comment. Blizzard?
Okay, this is a good
It's a
one.
good one.
I'm gonna put this in
Below magma, above sound.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that. Yeah, put that right there. Okay.
Okay.
Gravity.
Gravity.
Put this in the bottom of the seat. Bad.
Best? No, actually.
No, actually, I'm swapping. Pain goes here, and then.
Actually,
gravity goes
I'll put it in okay. Just because
Okay.
It's just-
Gravity is trash.
it just has quite a lot of value. I don't know why. It has no
Okay.
point. Mammoth?
Mammoth?
Good.
I'm gonna put this in.
Third
I'll put this above light.
Yeah, same. Second best and good. But below Rumble since
Yeah.
because the damage reduction is crazy. T-Rex?
Oh, okay. This is a hard one.
I'd put top in
I'm
A.
gonna put-
Best
I'm
in
gonna-
A.
I'm gonna put this in
S?
below the lowest tier on S because it is
Yeah.
really good for spamming, but like
Okay.
not better than.
Do? OP.
Nah,
OP.
I'll put this above.
But
I'm gonna
above
put this-
T-Rex.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this right there, bro. That's where it stays. Shadow. I'm gonna put this in the top. Put this below.
Actually,
Rumble,
I'll put
below Rumble.
Portal above Buddha just because Fiji's
Yeah.
good with it.
I'm gonna put Shadow right below Rumble. No,
Wait.
actually below Mammoth.
Shadow? Just below Mammoth. Venom?
No, I'm
Okay.
gonna put this in top of okay, bro. Like
Below Phoenix, above Magma.
put this.
That's
over.
what I would say.
Control.
Control?
It
There's
looks
some
really,
good
really
combos.
good.
Some good combos.
Yeah,
and
it
it's
looks-
the funnest in the game.
Yeah.
I put it in okay just because how fun it is.
Yeah, but it's like not that good.
It's not that good for PvP though. But it's still decent. Spirit is
I'm gonna put that.
definitely
up,
S.
Up. Okay.
I would put
I'll
it
put
right
this
right
Right next to
here.
right there. Next to it may look like Portal's better, but I'm gonna say they're the same for now. All right.
Spirit, Portal, and Dole, I don't know how to decide, but like they're all kind of equal.
Yeah.
So I would put it right there. Now actually,
Dragon.
Buddha better than Dole, I would say. Because Buddha's spamming Dragon. Rework, Dragon, rework, best.
No, Dragon going up. I'm putting this on top, bro. We need Dragon. No, I'm putting this on the bottom. We need Dragon rework to come, bro.
I'm gonna put this
Where
right
is
here.
it?
Where is the rework? Indra!
Dragon rework?
Where is it?
Okay,
Leo?
Leopard.
Above T-Rex? Right there, right there. Dole?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this right here, bro.
Wait, above Dole, I would say. Above Dole. Not above Buddha, no.
All right, Kitsune. I know.
To every Kitsune
I know where I'm putting this. I know where I'm putting this. I'm putting this one right here, bro. Oh, right there.
Look, wait. To every Kitsune spam out there who ruined my day. I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking.
Yeah, this is where I'm putting mine. This is my official tier list, guys. I think it's pretty good. Not gonna lie.
This is my official tier list, but Dragon Rework has to come out, and if Dragon Rework comes out, it will look like that.
Yeah.
But right now, it stays like that.
So I feel like
Okay.
This, oh wait, I'm gonna stop.
So here's our tier list.
This doesn't seem bad, bro.
I think most of the people would agree with us.
No.
And yeah, that's the end of the video. Actually, I'm gonna move Rumble to S tier real quick. Just
Rumble to
right
S?
there. Right there.
Okay.
Okay, so
Alright,
that's
guys.
the end of the video, guys.
Hope you had
Bye.
fun.
Hope
See
you have a
next
good
time.
day.